Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this hit effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start. So let's just create a good map for our effect. So I'll just create a level, or maybe I'll just use a preset from here, this one. And let's save this also. So I will make this bigger and then Control L for to add the light. Maybe this much. Okay. And also you can use light flow if you want. Maybe that light. Yeah. And I will also add a light. Right. So light maybe 0.5. And I will also build this. So after building, I have this. Okay. So my map is done. Okay. And I will put a character here. So let's just create an effect first. So first thing, I will create an effect and I will take and in here in my Niagara, I have this fountain. So this will be the first emitter that will be dark. Oh, okay. And we can actually set a character here. I have some characters like this. Let it compile. Actually, this one is too big. I will use a different mesh